Welcome everyone. So today is the 5th of November. It's a Tuesday. I just finished trading. I took these three setups right here, right? Two losses and a win. So according to my rules, if I get a lose and a win and a lose, I stop trading for the day. The time is about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. My session started at 8 in the morning, right? So yeah, these are two setups, right? These are two setups that I took right here. Two of my entry models. I took two of my entry models, right? So from the top, right, price rated these highs, right? First on this candle, right, it failed to close above, but on the following one, right, it did close above. So I was anticipating a reversal from this point, right? Now as you guys can see that this candle didn't close below, so I waited, right? And as you guys can see that this one, it closed bullish, and then this one closed bearish, right? Giving me what? Giving me a CISD over there, right? I can call this an extreme CISD because I applied my own variation to the CISD. You know, I know there's going to be some people that are going to be like, that is not a CISD, that is not how you use it, you know. This is how I use it, you know. So yeah, this is an extreme CISD. So I entered right there on a candle closure, right? Gave me a CISD right there. I entered on that candle closure. Price went into profit a bit, but like it eventually reversed, right? And as you guys can see, it closed above, right? So it rated what? It rated these highs, right? Now price went up, and I knew that it had to come down at some point, you know, as I was anticipating what? A reversal. So price created a CISD, right? So this is an extreme CISD, I can say. But I didn't enter on this candle, you know. Sometimes I do this, you know. I wait for a bit for more confirmation, let me just say. So I call this a bearish variation, same as with a bullish variation, you know. It's the same thing. So yeah, I waited for the following candle, right, to close below. So when this candle closed below these lows, right, like I knew, okay, this is my entry point. I entered right there with minimal drawdown. Price went straight to TP, right? Now what happened next? Price ended up consolidating, you know, consolidating. I was waiting for an entry, right? So when price raided these highs and went up to raid these equal highs that are over here, I was expecting what? I was expecting a reversal, right? Now this entry is almost the same as this one, you know, because we have what? We have a liquidity raid plus a bullish variation, you know. There's no CISD here. So you can say there's actually three models that are at play here. The first one, second one, and the third one. This one is a liquidity raid with a bearish variation, you know. I entered on this candle closure. Price went into a bit of profit, maybe came up until 0.4 and eventually reversed, hitting my stop loss. and closing above these highs, you know, and that was it for the day. On this trade, right, I took it on all of my accounts. This trade I took on all of my accounts, and as I said yesterday, there's a new sequence that I'm following which only takes the first trade, right? So I'm trading that on one account. So yeah, these trades I took on the other three, you know. So this one, all of the accounts got, like, I placed this trade on all of the accounts, and then once this was done with, I then went on ahead with the other three accounts, right? So over here, right, I was kind of busy, you know. I was anticipating this move, but I got here, I think, like a minute late, and price was like already here. So my entry was like here, you know, and like I entered the trade. I entered the trade because if I didn't, right, and it went to TP, I was gonna feel some kind of way, you know, and it doesn't matter even if it goes to my stop loss, I'm still gonna lose a certain percent, like the amount that I was risking, you know, like risk is like was gonna be the same whether I entered here or here, you know. I risked the percentage that I wanted to risk, you know, regardless. But yeah, today is a -1 hour day, so I'll put the screenshots on the screen for you guys to see. So yeah, man, this is Tuesday, -1 hour. I'm still up for the week because yesterday I had 2 winners, right? I'm still up. So yeah, let's see what tomorrow has in store for us. It's your boy Cyrex Capital signing out.